Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Corolla, one of the most reliable, efficient, and practical cars you'll find on the market. Whether you're looking for a dependable sedan or a versatile hatchback, the Corolla continues to shine as a top choice for drivers around the world. Let's kick things off with what's new for 2025, the Corolla FX. Toyota has added a splash of nostalgia by bringing back a nod to the 1980s Corolla FX16, but with a modern twist. The FX trim comes with bold blacked-out features, 18-inch alloy wheels, a sleek black roof, and a sporty rear spoiler. Inside, it packs a massive 10.5-inch infotainment screen as standard, a feature also available on other Corolla models. While it doesn't quite have the sporty punch of its 80s predecessor, it brings just the right amount of flair for a fresh, stylish upgrade. Under the hood, the Corolla remains consistent with a 169 horsepower, 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a smooth, continuously variable transmission. For those focused on fuel economy, the hybrid version is a game-changer, offering an impressive 53 mpg in the city and 46 mpg on the highway. Plus, the hybrid model comes with optional all-wheel drive, making it a solid choice for tackling tough weather or varying road conditions. Inside the cabin, you'll find a blend of practicality and refinement, with soft-touch materials and features like push-button start and passive entry coming as standard. Want more? Optional upgrades like heated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and ambient lighting add a premium touch. The sedan's extra rear seat space and the hatchback's 23 cubic feet of cargo room ensure there's a model to fit your lifestyle. Starting at just $23,310, the Corolla offers fantastic value for its quality and longevity. For a sportier drive, consider the SE trim with its sport-tuned suspension. Whatever your choice, the 2025 Corolla guarantees a reliable and fuss-free driving experience. If you're ready for a car that delivers on all fronts, the 2025 Toyota Corolla might just be the one. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you team sedan or hatchback?